Hello! Welcome back again to my channel. It's been a while. No? Matagal-tagal na rin akong hindi nakakapag-share ng aking mga recipes. Anyway, the wait is worth it. Tama ba yung sinabi? It's worth the wait. Sabi ko nga, diba? It's worth the wait. So, huwag na natin i-catch on. Let's be natural. So, ang susunod kong ingredients or susunod na food recipe na i-share ko sa inyo is one of Pinoy favorite na kumpleto yung ingredients niya. What I mean for complete ingredients is meron siyang vegetable, meron siyang green and leafy vegetable, meron siyang meat of course, at saka meron siyang fruit. So our recipe for today is Pochero. This is our Pochero. Kumpleto yan. So come on, let's join me. So bago po tayo mag-start, siyempre hindi kompleto ang ating vlog without sharing the word of God. Speaking of complete, meron siya lahat. I-share ko sa inyo, Mark12 verse 30. Sabi, love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with all your strength. God wants all of you. What I mean is, God wants the best out of you. Ayaw niya yung tira-tirang bagay, tira-tirang oras mo, leftover of your time and money, partial obedience, yung kung kailan ka lang available, dun ka lang tatawag sa Kanya. No. God wants all of you. He wants the whole of you, your heart, your mind, your strength, and your soul. Lahat kailangan ibigay mo sa Kanya kasi binibigay niya sa atin lahat ng best na deserve natin. So, let us give back to Him what is best to Him. We are created to honor Him and to serve Him. So let's bring out the best para sa ating buhay, para sa Kanya. Okay po, start na po natin ang magluto ng Pochero. It's our Pochero. Ito po ang ating mga ingredients. Siyempre, gagamit po tayo ng chicken. Ito po ang ating main ingredients. We have pechay, patatas or potatoes, string beans, carrots, sibuyas, siyempre, bawang sibuyas, laging magka-partner yan. Tomato paste or tomato sauce. Patis. At siyempre, ito yung magbibigay ng difference doon sa tinatawag nating mga kaldereta, menudo, mechado. Dahil pochero ang lalutuin natin, meron tayong saging. Since wala ako sa Pilipinas, mahirap kumuha ng saging saba, but saging saba is highly recommended. Simulan na po natin! So we are frying the potatoes. So it's a personal choice kung gusto mo siyang fry or if you want just to boil them during the cooking of the chicken. What I do first is sinasangkutsa ko yung chicken or to dry the chicken so that mawala yung kanya lansa. Iba pa yung gisa. We're also gonna fry the string beans. Ayan. Maganda kasi malutong yung string beans. Yung mga gulay, panatilihin natin malutong. Hindi yung malambot siya masyado. Para may crunch ba. this is how you want your pechay. Diba? Hindi siya overcook. It's really frying the carrot. Tomato paste or tomato sauce if you have. We'll be adding the chicken. So always remember, guys, if you are cooking using tomato paste or tomato sauce, boil them. Hayaan mo siyang kumulo hanggang magmantika yung tomato sauce o yung tomato paste fish sauce. Put water. Kaya mo lang siyang kumulo ng kumulo for the sabaw. Let's check our see? So I haven't seasoned it. Let's put pepper. I use whole pepper. Let's put our salt. Sponsored by Yan. Okay guys, there is one ingredient that I forget to include. Sugar. So basically, yung pochero ay may tamis. Okay, as you can see, unti-unti nang nagmamantika. Sumisebo kumbaga. So ayun, I was able to feed your soul and as well feed your stomach, feed your hunger. So if you feel blessed with this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, please do so. Thank you and God bless.